Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Rob Menghini. Today I can proudly show you this beautiful 1978 Suzuki GT250 X7. I've had quite a few of these over the years, but this one's had a ground up restoration. It's absolutely superb. One of the nicest I've seen, and it rides like new. Everything's been done on it and it's just glorious. Low mileage because it's been reset, showing 1,000 miles now. Lovely paintwork, all the decals underneath the lacquer. The restorer even went to great expense to polish the rims quite highly actually, and even diamond cut all these little spokes, which is just lovely. The attention to detail is lovely. It's very clean indeed. Just took it out for a spin, well, half an hour ago, so it's actually cold now. And it went like a little rocket. It's lovely, little screamer. Really impressed with this bike. Nice colour in white as well. It's had 6 owners from brand new, and it's matching engine and frame number. There we go. The earlier 250s had the ram air and just slightly different, more traditional style. They tried to make this more up to date and modern, and it does work. Things do work beautifully. Seems to be slightly more reliable, I would say. Yeah, it's gorgeous. I'll show you under the seat. One key fits all. Even a steering lock. There we go. It's beautifully done, all powder coated. I don't know if you can see the shine. Not a mark anywhere. It's got a toolkit, decals, as it left the factory basically. It's got a motor battery. All in all, very nice indeed. I'll try to fire it up, so I might have to go a bit quiet on you guys. There we go. There's not much fuel, so I'll have to put it on reserve. Yeah. Now, bear with me when I give it a kick. Wow, that smell. You're missing out, guys. It is lovely. Blue smoke heaven. It's so revvy and perky. It's just really nice. And listen to that engine, how quiet it is. There is no rattles or anything. Ticks over beautifully. I had a brand new one of these in 1977 in red. Brings back so many memories, and this is just like a time warp going back to when I was a kid. I used to take my girlfriend Teresa on the back, and she's my wife now, and we're still married, but she won't get on the back anymore, I'm afraid. Everything works as it should. All the lights, indicators. It's a real gem. And there we have it, folks. 1978 Suzuki GT250 X7. I hope this brought back some memories for you guys of my age. These are a beautiful thing. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, as there's going to be more to follow. Cheers guys.